Today I'm going to show you how you can see how many people share your post on Instagram. If this guide helps you, don't forget to like the video and also subscribe to the channel. It really helps us a lot. Okay guys, so the first thing we're going to do is to go to Instagram. We're going to select our profile and we're also going to select the image that we want to check. So in this case, I'm going to check for this picture right here, and I just want to see how many people have shared this image. So in most cases, you are going to be able to see your analytics right here, but in case you don't see them, you can also tap on View Insights. This is going to show you more information about the number of people that have liked, comment, and also shared your image, which is going to be that little airplane that you see right here. In case you're not able to see how many people have shared your post, it means that you need to change to professional. So you do need to switch to professional mode in order to see that information. And that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.